Good afternoon, everyone. In the last class, construction of the camp profile, part 1, we discussed about that a displacement diagram of the camp. So, first of all, we have to know displacement diagram of the camp. We are already discussed. So, now we are discussing the camp profile on these two conditions. The last question on that camp profile, the question is asking to us to find out to form or to draw the figure of the camp on these two conditions. Okay, so how we will draw in that question? In the last question, the radius of the camp is given. How much the radius of the camp? The radius of the camp is given r is equal to 50 mm. So take a center on that your paper, mark at O and take a radius r. How much? 50 mm and draw a one circle. Then next, after that, since the axis, the question is saying the axis of follower is passed through the axis of camshaft. It means the axis of camshaft. Axis of camshaft. It is a camp. Axis of camp is same axis of follower. The question is saying to you, axis of follower and axis of camp is same. So about from this point we have to draw the camp profile. Okay, the next thing is, this is your axis and this is your camp. Okay, and we are represented this point as a. Okay, next make an angle from O to, the question is given O to B. How much? O to B is 60 degree. So you have to make the angle from here at the center of O by the helping of a protector. You can draw here the 60 degree angle from the center. That is your outstroke. Then another, then B to C, B to T. B to D is 30 degree. 30 degree it seems as your dual condition. Dual means the constant. At this position, the follower will be in the constant position. Okay. So S to T. S to T is your 30 degree. Again I am repeating, the O to S. O to S we are taken. O to S. We are taken 60 degree of the outstroke. The question is already given. With the help of displacement diagram, we can easily draw that the camp profile. So that's why I am taking the value from the displacement diagram and utilizing on that camp profile. Okay. O to S I already taken 60 degree. S to T is 30 degree. Then again is 30 degree. Then next, they all are coming from the O only. That's why I am taking O to S, O to T, and then the last one is O to P. How much? 60 degree. Okay, this is your 60 degree. Okay, next after that divide the angular displacement here. Divide the angular displacement of this. This part is called as outstroke and this part is called as dual and this is your return stroke. Okay, now draw the angular displacement of outstroke or return stroke in that with an equal individual parts. Here this is the outstroke. In that outstroke you have to draw the equal individual parts like that. You are already made here, from A to S is equal individual parts in that outstroke in the displacement diagram, as like you have to make here also. Okay, in this curve 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. Okay, so you can take, this is a random figure, that's why I am roughing that. If you are taking the exact value on the by the helping of protector, you will be get that the accurate result. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then the sixth. Just elongate these lines. Okay, like this you have to divide equal individual parts on return stroke also. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the next is 6. Okay, total here the 60 degree is there. So we are divided the outstroke and return stroke with an equal individual of time, equal individual of parts. So next, after that, join the points. Here we can say 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Next here we can already made 0 dash, 1 dash, 2 dash, 3 dash, 4 dash. Okay, 0, 1 dash, 2 dash, 3 dash, 4 dash. We are already said here in that displacement diagram. Okay, 0 dash, 1 dash, 2 dash, 3 dash, 4 dash, 5 dash, and this is your 6 dash. See here, in that return stroke we are already made 0 dash, 1 dash, 2 dash, 3 dash, 4 dash. Why we are using the dash in terms of numbers? Here we are number taken because of that is display upward direction of the outstroke, and it is a downward direction of the return stroke. That's why we taken the dash. Okay, or else you can take different elements also. Okay, next on the 1 dash, the element is B. It's a B. Then E, C, A, B, C, E, F. This is element is your B, C, B, C, D, E, F. Okay, B, C, D, E, F, and this is your G. Okay, B, C, D, E, F, G. These are the elements are there on that outstroke, and then return strokes. Another elements are there. We have to grade that elements G, H. We can say I, J K L M. Okay, I J K L M. I J K L M N. Here this is one yours. P. 1 minute. Don't be confused. That the here we are taking the elements. Okay, here the elements are there. I J K L M. Okay, so from 0 the H is there, na? H I J K L M, and this is last one is your P. Okay, next after that take the scale and measure this length from 1 to B, and take the compass and cut it this from 1 to 0. From 0 to A is already there at the point only, 0 and A at the point only. Then next here from 1 to B, how much the distance is there? 1 to B, you have to take the 1 to B distance and cut it. 1 to B, it will cut here. Okay. The next 2 to C. 2 to C, how much the distance is there? Just take the distance in that scale by the helping of compass, and then make an arc here. Like that, you will get the arc. Okay. As like same, you will get the arc here also. Okay. Then after that, just join this arc to A to P by the smooth curve. So this is your cam profile. This is a roughly diagram. I made that. If you are taking the exact value and accurate readings by the helping of compass, protractor or scale, you will be get definitely a correct figure. Okay, like this you have to draw. Then after that, you know very well, you have to write the steps of constructions. Steps of construction. You must have to write the steps of construction. Steps 1 to 7 or 1 to 6 you can write like this. You are already I already given to you the displacement diagram of the steps of construction like this. You have to write here also. Whatever I wrote here, whatever I told you about this figure, that you have to make and write the sentences. Okay, it is not a big task for you to complete. Then next, the another figure is the axis of follower is offset by 20 meter from the axis of camshaft. Means here again I am taking 50 meter, 50 meter of radius of the 50 meter. This is your 50 meter radius of the cam. Draw the circle. Then next, take the measurement. Take the measurement on the center, because of offset is saying offset, it means the axis of for example, the axis of this is your cam. Axis of cam is this 20 meter away, means this is your axis of follower. The offset means the axis of follower and axis of camp is not same. So that here we are drawing the camp profile of offset. Okay, here we draw the same on the same axis. Okay, just take the 20 meters. This is your 20 mm and make this circle. Okay, 20 mm and make this circle. That is your axis of your, this is your axis of follower. So what you notice in these two diagrams, you will notice here the axis of follower is passed through the on the same axis of camshaft. Here the same axis is there with camshaft or follower. But in this the axis of camp is different, the axis of follower is different. About point of this, we have to draw the camp profile also by the taking of help of displacement diagram, length and measurements. Okay, the displacement diagram is common for these both two conditions. Okay, whenever you are doing any problem, you have to draw the displacement diagram and write that steps of construction, and after that whatever the condition is given in that question, you have to take that condition and draw the camp profile, and again make sure to write that the steps of construction. If the question is given another video also like offset, you have to draw also. Okay, in that how you will be draw, same condition will be happen here, but not on camp circle. You have to draw on that follower circle. Okay, so next, take on the center, take the angle, draw the angle here, outstroke like same 60 degree. Next, 30 degree return stroke, and sorry, dual stroke 30 degree and return stroke is 60 degree. Like this you have to, okay, draw the angles. Next, after that, angular displacement, again I am telling to you here already, divide the angular displacement for the outer stroke, return stroke with an equal parts and make the line on vertically. Okay, this step will be there again here. Second step, angular displacement, we have to divide the angular displacement of return here out in that outstroke, dual and return stroke. In that return stroke and outstroke, we have to draw, we have to divide the angular displacement with an equal parts. Okay. One, two, three, 4, 5. Okay, 5 is 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then 6. Okay. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this one is your 6. The next, what we have done here, you know very well. Okay, take the this is yours center O, and this is your A. That is your center O and A. You have to draw join the O to A. O to A. Like this you have to join O to A. Then next O to S and O to P. You know that O to A, then O to S, then O to T, then O to P. This is your O to S, then O to P. O to P is, this is yours, last line. Okay. Next, take the reading with the help of compass. Here 1 to B, how much? Just make the alphabets first. B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, P. Already P is there. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. 0. 1 dash, 2 dash, 3 dash, 4 dash, 5 dash, 6 dash. Okay. Now just cut that the figure. 1 to B, how much? Take the reading 1 to B and cut it. Then cut it. Okay. Next. Here, cut it. Same figure, cut it the value. Here the big value is now 0 to 1 dash. That's why I am taking 0 to 1 dash, big value. Yeah, see here 0 to 1 dash, 0 to 1 dash, then 1 dash to again 1 dash to this value. Okay, 1 dash to 0 to 1 dash is over. Then next 0 to next 2 dash. Again second value, this value you have to take, again this value, this value, this value, this value, like this you have to take and cut this figure. And after that make this by the smooth curve you have to make. Okay, this is your figure of the cam profile offset. So what you notice in these two figure, what you are notice here, the follower is on the another axis and the cam is on another axis. The figure of the outcome of the cam profile is different with the figure of the outcome of the same on axis. So what is the difference between in these two conditions? Which one is effective for us to make this cam profile and to produce and to introduce in this cam profile in that automobile sector? Already is done, but which one is better advantage for the automobile sector? For example, in the engine cylinder head we are taken this cam profile. Okay, already we are taken to operate the valves. In the first class I already told you. So which one is best for that? So about from my point of view, the first one is best because of the axis of follower and the axis of cam is on same side. It will give the more power, oscillation and transmitted energy. Okay, and it will be converted to the by the helping of camshaft to the crankshaft. So this is the main advantage, and it is widely used in not only automobile and another industries are also. Okay, so wherever you see the any mechanism of component of machines is there that having a wall operating with the help of cam profile only. Okay, so here you have to write also steps of construction also. So make your own the steps of construction. If you are not getting to make it is an easy one because of I already wrote a displacement diagram. Like this you have to take the steps of construction from on this point and as well as this point also. You have to write. This is your completion of your cam profile on a radical cam, with that simple harmonic motion on uniform velocity. So this is totally part A, and part B is on one problem, and that it will be considered in LAQ in your exams. So make sure to practice other problems also. Example 2, I will give you the homework, example 20.2 page number. If you are having any textbook, 20.2 page number 782. Practice on this question as well as this question. If you are not getting anything else, means any doubt regarding this question, you will be easily free and fair to ask me the doubts in that comment section, as well as you can come to the college whenever you want. Then I will tell you after the opening of the college, then after that I will tell you anything else regarding this problem. Okay, thank you very much for watching my video. Have a nice day.